Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a checklist in Google Docs. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just open Google Docs over here. So I just want to insert the table and make a checklist or simple word into make a checklist. What I have to do here? For example, I just want to insert the checklist. What you have to do here? So just go to format menu and just go to bullet and numbering. Once you go to bullet and numbering, there will be a checklist menu will be there. So there are two options will be available. So you can select and manually checklist will be open here as you see here. For example, my language over here, so I just want to type English and maths and science and social. So you can manually checklist of these options. Just click and you can checklist go to that. So the dash will be there. So for example, I don't want any dash or any types of strike out there. So here there will be a strike out option I have enabled. So here the common option will be available, so I can able to choose apple, orange, like that. I can insert and have access. Yeah, so I can choose and I can have access with this. So this is a simple and easiest way. So I just go to insert menu and I just want to create some table over here. So insert the table, I just want to have the checklist over here. So just go to format menu and go to bullet and numbering, checklist, and checklist option will be enabled. So you can checklist about your attendance and whatever you want, you can have access, and the students details and everything will be added over here with the checklist option. So you can enable this manually and you can have access inside the table, and without the table also we can able to insert the checklist and have my document in a new way of access. For example, I can manually checklist options so that whatever I have did, everything will be in disabled. Whatever I didn't do, it will be enabled. Like that you can make your document, make your disk will be free and easy. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.